Thursday Maths Homework, Term 2, Year 6, 2015, number lines with negative integers. We want students to be able to understand how negative integers work, and for students to be able to place negative and positive integers onto a number line, an integer just being a value. Thursday homework, students are going to have to place the integers onto the number line in their correct position, and this is what it's going to look like. They're going to have a number line here at -2 all the way through to 2, and they're going to have to figure out where to place it. In this case, if we're looking at -1, they're going to write -1 underneath and place an arrow on top to indicate what part of the number line they're talking about. A common misconception that happens is that students feel that the negative on it confuses the value. In this case, they think that the highest value should be further to the right, which is the case. But they'll look at these two numbers here and they'll think that 1.9 is a higher value than 0.5. Now, it is the case if they're positives. However, if they're negatives, it is not the case. So that's where the misconception falls in, is they're not allowing for this negative impacting upon the value. So they'll place the -1.9 further up towards the 0, and they'll place the -0.5 further away from the 0, which is a misconception. The strategy that we're going to use our anchors. What I mean by anchors is there's a couple of things on this number line that you can place straight away, and that is your 0. So you should place your 0. The number line's always going to have 2 as its highest value and -2 as its lowest value. So right smack bang in the middle should be your 0. Then I want them to place halfway between your 0 and your -2 will be -1, and halfway between your 0 and your 2 will be 1. What I want students to remember always is that the biggest number is further away from the 0. So in this case, for positive numbers, it's further away to the right. In the negative values, it's further away to the left. So the bigger the number, the further away it is from 0. All that they have to remember is that if it's got the negative, it is to the left of 0. If it's a positive integer, it is to the right. Good luck.